Hello guys, today I'm installing macOS 10.4. Whatever. Here is where we are at now. Forgive the screen, it's going nuts. Don't know why it's yellow up there, but yeah, this is install disk 4. And this will be the last disk actually. I'm sorry the first part wasn't done, but it's pretty straightforward. It's a Power Mac G4. Very neat little machine. Got a gig of RAM, and so I just, every once a year or so. Actually, this has been a few years since I've actually done a cleanup on this baby. So let's do a great cleanup here. Let me see here. Let me get you here. There we go. We're going to let you finish the installation by watching us. This is a 26-inch flat screen monitor. And actually, this is restart. I lost my original OS 10 disk for this thing. Actually, a friend of mine lost it, and so I just found a copy online. So yeah, I had to purchase another copy, but that's all right. Be getting me a new Mac soon. That's great. So yeah, installing OS 10 is not that hard. You just follow the instructions. You don't have to customize it. I didn't. I'm just hoping that when this reboots, this yellowish will be gone. But I don't know. And if it's not, then I don't honestly have no clue why it's doing that. Unless my cable's messed up. I really wouldn't. I don't think it is. But anyway, we got a big enough screen here. Oh, guess what? It's 100% completed. Look at that. Less than a minute remaining. So we're going to let this thing on reboot. And you're going to hear the sexy music sound. Oh, Xerox printer. Finishalizing the installation. Finishing, whatever. Yeah. Apple does say is if your computer Mac comes with pre-installed OS 10, or if you've recently purchased it and you've lost it, if they don't support it, they'll go ahead and allow you to find a copy on the internet to re-download, which is what I have their permission to do. So, as long as you got Apple's permission, and I am honestly saying the truth, yes, I do have their permission to do this. But it's only meant for this machine, and so on. So we're going to let this thing reboot. Go ahead and close, and it should eject the disk here in just a moment. So let's just pray that it will be a install succeeded. I think it was. So we're going to listen to the audio. Headphones are unplugged, so yeah, forget my Coca-Cola glass. Yeah! My favorite thing to hear. And there's no way to skip this, unfortunately, but that's alright. Now, I gotta enter my information and register my copy. I don't know why it's this color. I'm on this information, so yeah. So I guess I gotta figure out why it's yellow. Why it's doing that. I don't really have one. Can't remember my Apple ID, so I'm just gonna skip that. I think my graphics card might be bad. And click continue. Primary use for computer, home, music. Do not stay in touch. And now we're getting my account. Let's just pray that when this restarts, or if it ever does, that it will be good to go. Thank you. It's already registered it. See what happens. Yeah, I need to figure out why everything's yellow here. I don't understand. Let's see if I can connect to the internet here. I wonder if I install a new graphics card if it would work. Let's see, we're successfully online. I think we're going to have to check our updates. Let's see what we got here. Software updates. We're going to do the updates here for this thing. So yeah, we are going to be doing some updates with this thing. So hopefully I'll get this thing fixed. So if any of you guys know the reason why it's yellow, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Peace out.